In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Slack on laptop. If you already have Slack open in your browser and you want a quicker, more app-like experience on your laptop, this is a simple way to do it. Instead of downloading it from a separate website, you can install the page as an app directly from your browser. This helps Slack feel more like a dedicated desktop application, and it can also make it easier to launch from your desktop whenever you need it. To begin, look at the top area of your browser window and click on the three-dot menu. This is the main browser menu, and it gives you access to extra settings and options related to the page you currently have open. If you don't immediately see it, it's usually located in the upper right corner of the browser. Once that menu opens, find and click on the option called Cast, Save, and Share. This section groups together a few browser actions that let you send, save, or install content from the current page. You may need to pause for a moment and scan the list carefully, especially if your browser window is smaller and the menu looks a little condensed. After that, click Install Page as App. This option tells the browser to create a standalone app version of the Slack page. In other words, instead of opening Slack inside a regular browser tab every time, your laptop will be able to open it in its own window, which can feel cleaner and more convenient for day-to-day use. A confirmation box should now appear. Go ahead and click Install. At this point, your browser will handle the setup automatically. It usually only takes a few seconds, and you won't need to do anything complicated in the background. When the installation is complete, check your desktop. You should see the Slack app icon there. That confirms the installation works successfully. From now on, you can open Slack directly from your desktop just like you would with any other app on your laptop. As a final tip, if the icon doesn't appear on the desktop right away, give it a moment and check your applications area or start menu as well, depending on your laptop setup. But in most cases, the app should be easy to find right after installation. And that's it. You've now installed Slack on your laptop and made it easier to access whenever you need it.